it up. Claim is true. Okay, let's try one more of those, and then we'll do the program one. Yep, they are. Nope, because they'll be asking questions left and right. I can see that right now. Try one more. What's your... We always test, when you do these hypothesis testing, they're always testing the whole. This is what got tested. Always. Even if the claim's up there, it doesn't matter where the claim is at, we're always testing the whole. Doesn't matter if the claim is here or here. We either reject the whole or we fail to reject the whole. Those are the only two decisions we come up with.
We rejected it?
And we rejected it.
Then what is your claim is false?
Nope. We rejected the whole, so this is gone. I rejected this.
Okay.
That means this is what's true, and that was the claim.
Okay, do we need to throw it out like you did?
That's up to you.
Well, that's the claim.
You don't get the flow chart? The claim was the ha. So that's why I'm on the right side of that flow chart.
Oh, I get that now.
Like I said, you'll look at that for about a week, and then you'll be good. It'll make sense to you.
So if it,
Why I rejected it? Because my z-score came out negative 3.55. This is a number line. This critical spot was negative 2.33. This is a number line. So negative 3.55 was beyond this, so I'm into the shaded. If I land in the shaded, you always reject the whole. If you land in the unshaded, that's the fail to reject. So shaded is reject, unshaded is fail to reject. Okay, try another one. Then I think you'll let me know anyway. Okay, second one. Okay, claim. The mean cost of raising a child from birth to age 2. We're just going to run the program after this. Is $8,390. And this is old data, very old data. It's a lot more. This is probably 15 years old, this data.
I thought,
Okay.
like, when you did that for
We're going to take a sample of 900 children. That is a very large sample.
I don't even think I know that.
And we find that the mean cost was $8,275. With standard deviation $1,540. 8275, sorry. And we're going to test this at 5%. Okay, it's a 5-step process, the by hand ones. There's lots of points in here. What's the first step? Writing those two hypotheses. So the claim is about the mean cost. That's mu. So my claim better have that symbol in it.
If you get the symbol wrong, you get
That's the point, yep. Because if you get, well really, if you get the symbol wrong, you'll go to the wrong section on your note card and do the whole wrong thing. So, the mean, what do we need here? The mean cost of raising a child from birth to age 2 is $8,390 equals $8,390. What is the claim now? Now the claim is the hope. On the other one it was the hot. So it can switch.
But don't we need to hold make the
notation. What's the second hypothesis then? Either this is true or not equal to. There's your ha. You always have to write a pair of hypotheses for every single one of these, even by program. Okay? Now what do we do next? Tell what tail it is. What tail test are we doing? Two-tailed test. So we have two rejection regions. So we've got two critical z-scores. How much is shaded in each piece? 0.025. 0.025. What's in the middle? 0.95, 95%. Okay, so we know they're symmetrical. One's negative, one's positive. What do you do the inv norm of to get it? 0.025. What's this negative z-score? Again? Okay, so then the other one's positive 1.96. Any questions so far? Good? Tell me the next step. Find the z-score for your sample mean. We need to know where the sample lands on this graph. So the sample, so the z-score for the $8,275 can be found by taking that $8,275. What do I subtract? From the claim, 8,390. Divide by 1540 over the square root of 900. Actually, I'm not going to do the program today. I'm going to do the program after you do the by. I'm going to wait on the program. I'm going to do by hand.
Why do you say this? Why did
I don't want to. I'm going to wait on that. We're going to have to practice this to not get confused. Okay, what did you come up with? Negative 2.24. So, is negative 2.24 in the shaded or unshaded part of our graph? Definitely the shaded, because that's negative 1.96. If I think about a number line, this is in the shaded. So what decision do you make? We reject the hoe. One of two. Reject the hoe or fail to reject the hoe. So we rejected the hoe again. And make sure you tell me reject the hoe. Don't just say reject. Don't say reject the claim either, because it might not be. Okay, what can I say about the claim now? Use that chart. Which side of the chart should I be working on? The hoe. My claim started out as the hoe. We rejected the hoe, so what does it say about the claim? The claim is false. That's not the amount of money it takes to, I don't know what it is, but it's no different than that. We don't higher or lower. But we are rejecting the hoe, so we are saying this one, the claim is false. And I think we're going to quit there. I'm just going to do by hand. And then, yeah, I got a plan. Imagine that.
Wow.
Or should we do the program today?
No.
Okay, I'm going to go with, well, I had it, no, I am second guessing. I'm going to go with just by hand. So, you are going to do page 325. Yeah. Let's take up, look at the test claim. Let's go with, nope, we're going to go with about 5 of these. 18. And then, all by hand, you don't even know a program yet. 21 to 24. 5 problems.
Thank you.
You're welcome.